Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running a Python file in Linux is a straightforward process, and in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps with code examples. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these steps will help you execute your Python scripts effortlessly on a Linux system. Most Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed. To check if Python is installed, open a terminal and type. If Python is not installed, you can install it using your distribution's package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you can use replace apt-get with the appropriate package manager for your distribution. Open a text editor of your choice, example Nano, Vim, or Gedit, and create a simple Python script. For example, let's create a file named hello.py. Save the file and close the text editor. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where your Python file is located. You can use the cd command to change directories. For example, now that you are in the correct directory, use the following command to run your Python script. Replace hello.py with the name of your Python file if it's different. Alternatively, you can make the script executable and run it directly. The first command, mod +x, makes the file executable, and the second command, /hello.py, runs the script. Congratulations! You have successfully run a Python file in Linux. Virtual environments. Consider using virtual environments to manage project dependencies. Create a virtual environment with Python 3 env, activate it with sourcevenv/bin/activate, and install dependencies. Shebang line. Add a shebang line at the beginning of your Python file to specify the Python interpreter. For example, make the script executable, mod +x hello.py, and run it directly, /hello.py. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to run Python files on a Linux system. Happy coding! ChatGPT